Hey guys, Cal from Mazda here. If you're a first-time car buyer, there's a couple things you should probably know. If it's your first time, there's a chance that you might not have a lot of credit built, which is okay. That just means you don't have a lot of background with loans, but that also means you might need someone to help you out. So make sure you talk to somebody ahead of time about potentially co-signing for you. The second thing that can also help you a lot if you're a first-time car buyer is some money down. Most lenders like to see typically about 20% for the best financial programs. But another thing that I tell a lot of first-time buyers who aren't quite sure what to expect, like payment-wise or something like that, is to kind of assume that you'll pay about $200 to $250 a month per $10,000 you borrow. So that's three quick tips for first-time car buyers. Probably one of the most important ones is to come to a dealership that you trust and talk to a salesperson that you feel like you can trust as well. Here at Mazda Madison, we hope we can be that dealer for you. So stop on by, we'll show you what it's all about. We'll see you soon.